ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Sorkar jilna ka lapun pau bakandang up ya ka Shithi na ka seng Hnlc National Liberation Council hadien ba ka lapun pau ya ka mon ban wan shakmat na ka benta Ïasuk bat ka Sorkar India badru bat ka Sorkar Meghalaya klem kino ki jingbo kindon haga Jingïakren bat kilat pathai khubor haga khandai tari ubnai rempang arjar arpuar Menteri Rangba jong ka jilla Konrad Konggol Sangma ule yathoru kat badang up ya ka Shithi na ka seng Hnlc ka Sorkar kandang wadru ya ubreu uban long uksiang hapedeng ka seng Hnlc bat ka Sorkar India.
Also, we have seen in the newspaper that that there was a press release that was given by the Hnlc, where they have expressed that they would like to have discussion and talks with the government, and that these will be unconditional, and in the interest of peace they would like to move in this direction. And based on that, the government of Meghalaya has already started going through different names for interlocutor, and we welcome the step that has been taken, and we are now awaiting a formal written letter from their side expressing the same that they have mentioned in the press release, because as a government we'll have to get an official communication. But while we wait for the communication, the government has already started taking steps for identifying individuals who could be interlocutors also. And once we receive the official communication, we will then communicate to Government of India, and after discussion with Government of India, we will initiate all the required processes. And as I said, this is a welcome move. We are all wanting peace to be there in the long run, and therefore this entire communication is a positive, is in a positive direction. But as I said, that we will be waiting for the official communication from their side. So we'll be selecting people from, in general, from society, from different backgrounds. And of course, what is important is that these people should be people who have enough experience, who have, have the necessary, I should say, qualities to negotiate well and discuss and talk in these matters. People who understand the subject well. So it will be a very broad kind of a thing. We have already, in fact, made a panel, and those panel of names have already been sent to me. And we have already had a meeting with the Home Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, and other senior officials of the Government of Meghalaya, and we have already gone through those names. We are very confident that the kind of people we have gone through the list, a very long list we had gone through, and we have zeroed down a few names. So as I said, once official communication starts, then we will finalize the names. Obviously, these are all scenarios which one does not know, so we cannot start commenting on if and what happens if this happens or that happens. Till the communication does not come in, and till the talks don't start, the government will always be very careful and ensure that we continue to do our work. The police department will continue to do its work. So those things will continue as it is, and obviously let the process start, and let's see, and we're hopeful that this will move in the right direction.